इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us today on this beautiful afternoon of Sunday. Franchise India is a platform, is a business consulting firm which is helping all international and national brands to expand their business with our pan-India network offices. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in getting the business solutions as well as franchise from us. We welcome each one of you to 266th edition of this series. This is a digital representation of the brand. We do not endorse any particular brand. We invite management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, they'll be talking about the industry prospects as well as they'll take all your queries. The brand which we are presenting today is Take It. Yes, Take It is the brand. They are into supermarket, a vertical, and they are catering to all daily and household needs. They have an assortment of 5,000 plus articles, and it is our privilege to invite and welcome Mr. Gajendra, who is representing this particular brand for each one of you. Thank you so much, Gajendra sir. आज हमें join करने के लिए. We are excited to join your journey. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Hi, I'm Gajendra. Now I'm taking you through the Take It presentations. I'm starting with introduction about my group, where we are working and what we have in our portfolio. Rangoli Board Private Limited. It's a manufacturing of particle board from the bagasse. It's a sugarcane extract. The factory has been set up in 25 acres of the land in Rangoli village near Kagal, 5-star MIDC, district Kolhapur. The product are sold under the name of Rangoli. We have another industry, that is a bold industry. We are manufacturing and selling modular and other furnitures under brand name of Bold Pela. Then Burjani Industries Private Limited. It's a chain of supermarket with the brand name, called it Take It. It's a fast growing retail chain with the own stores and franchisee store, Coco stores and Fubo stores, company owned and company operated, and franchisee owned and franchisee operated. Another division we have called Honcho is a B2B entity. We are selling fast moving consumer goods, food products under the name of Honcho. We are directly competing with Metro and Udan and other B2B companies. We have another matrimonial services through website called reshambandhan.com. Indian retail industry, the size of the Indian market is approximately 60 lakhs crore, and around 15% of market is organized market, and 85% still unorganized, run by the traditional outlet and mom and pop outlet, and we have very large potential of the balance 85%. Business opportunity and value creations. In retail, we have huge potential. We can have our own business and long-term business. In food industry and FMCG industry, whatever happens, earthquake comes, flood comes, or war happens, consumption of these products is never going to stop. Even in Corona, government has full hand to operate because it's come under essential commodity. Upcoming supermarket creating employment within the society and giving the satisfaction to the customer through hygiene products and hygiene atmosphere, and of course healthy return on investments. Inviting to join the hands, be a partner to the success. Currently we are operational with the 3 stores, one in Pune, Baner with 700 square foot, launched in June, Kolhapur, Kadambwadi launched in December, and Kasbe Valve 3000 square foot, and another 10 stores work is in under process. Key benefit of joining hand with us, we will have association, you will all have the association with the brand called Take It, and an industry expert will guide in each and every stage of retail business from pre-launch to running the business and making it profitable. And my whole team is minimum more than 15 years of retail experience with company like Reliance Retail, Future Group, Shopper Stop, and we have dedicated team for all the functions of the retail, for the category management, merchandising, store operations, staff acquisitions, and talent transformations, and providing marketing supports to the upcoming stores. Mission 2022, we have plan of opening up the 100 stores. We are going to occupy the 4 lakh square foot area, and our turnover will be a 200 crore plus. About Take It is a supermarket chain catering to the daily needs of the consumers, and we have a category like dairy, milk and milk products, bakery products, fast moving consumer goods, which includes food and non-food, and grocery is occupying the 50% plus 50 to 60% contribution to the total store, the total turnover of the stores. OTC, over the counter drugs, general merchandising, frozen fruits and vegetable. We are sourcing fruits and vegetable directly from the customers, directly from farmers, and we have assortment of 5,000 plus articles. We focus on the consumer satisfaction. Our store is a convenience stores. Long hours of the operations, we open up the stores at 7 o'clock and we closing down the shutter 10 o'clock. We runs various promotions and discounts, providing discount to the consumers. Our benchmark to provide the price to the customer end user below than DMart. We have various products and range, around 5,000 plus articles assortment we have ready, and of course our store is equipped with the friendly and helpful staff, hygiene products, hygiene stores. We have 2 franchisee model. First, we have a medium format store, size 1,000 square foot to 2,000 square foot, and another large format store, size is 2,000 to 6,000 square foot. Even we can go above 6,000 square foot. Currently, we are operating in Pune, Western Maharashtra, Karnataka, and spreading the wings in Goa. Little bit slow due to the government's regulation, due to the Corona spread. And currently, we are operating in Pune district, Kolhapur district, Sangli districts, and Belgaum districts. 3 store operational and 10 store in a pipeline, and this 10 store will launch in mid of the July. Franchisee requirement, franchisee should have the prime locations and should have investment as per the model, should commitment to the business, passionate for the creating the business and providing the services to the end user, willing to work hard, willing to work smart, and desire to success. Medium format store starting from 1,000 square foot to 2,000 square foot. Capital investment required is 24 lakhs. Capital investment includes infrastructural cost like furniture, fixtures, chiller, freezer in the stores, air conditioning, lightings, paintings, and requires software and hardware supports. Hardware and software supports. Stock investment. We require the 26 lakhs of stock investment. Total investment of the franchisee will be the 50 lakhs, and we are probable turnover will be a minimum 24 lakhs. We are working at 25% gross margin. After that, we are offering 7% discount to the consumers. In my previous slide, I already told about that key, our benchmark to provide the price to the product below DMart. And after deducting 7% of customer discount, gross retention margin will be 18% and ROI will be 5%. Capital investment will be recovered in 20 months in this model. Large format stores starting from 2,000 square foot to 6,000 square foot. Capital investment required is 30 lakhs, which include infrastructural cost, furniture, fixtures, chiller, freezers, ACs, software and hardware, and require other infrastructures. Here we require the stock investment for the cost of is 40 lakhs. Total investment will be of franchisee is a 70 lakhs. Minimum turnover will be a 30 lakhs. Same year we are working on a 25% gross margin and passing 7% to the customer. And franchisee's gross retention margin will be a 18% and ROI will be 5%. Capital investment will be recovered in 20 months. We will provide the support for the, we will provide the and committed to the support to the franchisee in pre-launch period, location identification through catchment and catchment analysis and survey. We will provide all the infrastructures. We will provide the negotiated quotation for the infra development. After providing this negotiated quotation, this quotation will be open for the discussions. If you can able to bring the quotations below this, but should have the at par with our benchmarking parameters, operational parameter. And of course, we will do the market survey and analysis for the availability, making availability of the products within the stores. Second support will be in a category management and merchandising. We will provide the continuous and consistent assortment planning, vendor management. Assortment planning will be through the making product masters, and vendor management will be through vendor master. We will close the term of trade with the vendor on behalf of the franchisee. We will do the category selection based on the catchment survey and catchment analysis, which type of how the customer is going for the product, even populations and economic standard, socio-economic status of the consumer, deciding the category selections. We will make the stock planning, inventory management and merchandising within the stores. And for operation, we will provide support of the staff recruitment, staff acquisition and talent transformation. We have ready SOP checklist. Our managers will keep visiting the stores for audits and other purpose. They will go through these SOP checklist, and surely we are going to structure home delivery system for the satisfaction of the customer. And also we have the checklist for the daily operation of the stores. We will provide with the solution of the crisis management. Mainly in retail industry comes the customer unsatisfaction or customer complaint that will be resolved within the stores only. We will make all the staff trained to attend the customer complaint and other crisis managements. Periodical stock checks and audit. Inventory audit will be done on twice a year, and replacement of the products that will be initially done by the trained by the people, taking people to the store staffs. And of course, we will keep same activity within the stores throughout the year, throughout the period. to keep the store update and ready for the customers' satisfactions. Marketing support for the sales and promotions. Promotion will be an in-store promotion and outdoor promotion also. In-store communication and visibility, making the stock, making promo talkers, promo hoardings. Social media campaign will be done through the site called Facebooks, Instagrams, and other sites. Brand promotion, in-house brand promotion and outdoor brand promotion with the help of the manufacturing company. We take the we take the help from the company, and we help the manufacturing company to promote their brand within the premises of store and outside the stores and within the catchment also. We will give the all guideline and implementation support to run the consumer connect campaign, like special free samplings, product launchings, and so society connect through the campaign called religious campaign like Haldi Kumku and others, festival celebrations. And for the social connect, we will do the campaign like blood donation camps. And for IT support, we will provide all the hardwares with negotiated quotations, softwares, billing softwares. Through this, your franchisee will able to get the stock aging report. Stock aging report is very important to avoid the near expiry and expiry losses. Generation of monthly GST reports, data management, MIS reports, stock report. We can able to find out the which product, which SKU is not moving from the store. All franchisee will get the free cloud hostings, and we are in the process of developing the online application for the home delivery that will be operated within next 3-4 months. And partner supports, channel partner redressals, timely monitoring of the store performance and taking the corrective actions, and suggestion. We will provide the suggestion for improving sales. Our team will participate and make the store and make the franchisee enable to make the store performance at higher level. Of course, ticket will charge for this. We don't take any deposit from the franchisee. We charge one-time fees, not refundable. That is a 200 per square foot. For example, if you have 1000 square foot store, the franchisee will pay the, and we are in the process of developing that will be operated within next 3-4 months. Partner redressals, timely monitoring of the suggestion. We will provide the suggestion and one-time fees to enable to make. Of course, ticket will charge for. We charge one-time fees. For example, if you have 2 lakh rupees plus taxes, charge 2% monthly charges on sales excluding GST. For example, monthly sales of 10 sales, we generate the revenue to giving the space for the promotion of the newly launched product or established product. We charge the fee for that. That come under the head of the sales of the stores. So it is clearly we don't take any deposits, one-time fees. After that, we are not going to charge anything. Only monthly charges of 2% of sales excluding GST will be charged. This is our organization chart. Our chairman is Mr. Bhavesh Patel, and under that Mr. Hardik Patel is a director to whom I am reporting, and below that we have category manager, merchandiser, regional sales manager, business development manager, area sales manager. These all people came from the reputed retail company. In short, I will give my introductions about my experience. I am with the 30 years of experience, work with the company like Hindustan Unilever, Everyday Industries, and total 16 years of experience of retail operations with Reliance Retail and Future Group, who came from the company like Reliance, Future Group, Shoppers Stop, and backend will be supported by the head HR. They will go for the talent acquisition, talent transformations. We have head finance, Mr. Vijay. We have head legal, under that assistant HR and commercial. These are all about the small introduction about our team and organization charts. These are the first store. These are the Kolhapur store launch. Will be inaugurated by Honorable Minister Mr. Satish Patil in the presence of our chairman Mr. Mukesh Patel, Bhavesh Patel. This is our team, core team, management team. That's all about the Take It. Now, Archana ji, I'm handing over to you.
Thank you, Gajendra ji. Very well explained. And we will take some questions now. And first, let's start with the current performance of stores. While you already launched the stores and a lot of them are in pipeline, if you want to summarize,
Yes.
कि आज हमारी performance कैसी चल रही है हमारी audience के लिए, that's one question. Second, क्या आप समझते हैं advantage, because now a lot of supermarket chains and departmental store chains are now started doing franchising. अगर आज हम Take It की franchise कोई लेता है तो क्या आप 2-3 USP जो बोलना चाहेंगे जो advantage हैं करने के लिए? और third, which are the immediate markets where we are looking immediately franchising? So 3 questions let's start with and giving. First, let's talk about the current background of our current stores. Second is, what is the USP with Take It, which any investor from Franchise India comes and says, I want to take It franchise, उसको क्या benefit extra मिलता है? और third, कि हम कहाँ locations ढूंढ रहे हैं? Over to you.
Thank you, Gaurav. Our USP is the right product at the right price. This is a daily consumption product, daily needs products. We have to provide the right quality and at right price, which attracting the customers and attracting the footfalls to the stores, and which increasing the turnover and of course a return on investment also. Second USP, our expertise service. We keep supporting our franchisee for entire life. Actually, we launched first store in June at Pune. It's a company owned and company operated. After that, second store is launched in Kolhapur and third store launched in Kasba Valva. It's in the district of Kolhapur city, Kolhapur district. We are providing entire end-to-end support to the stores. My entire team, which consists of area manager, regional manager, and merchandiser, they are all moving within the territory. Only every Monday we gather for the meetings and reviews at the office, and after that keep visiting stores and developing stores for further growth of the sales. So we keep the second USP is our consistent support to the franchisee. Third, our expertise team assuring the perfect right ROI, which is higher in the industry. That 3 USP of our Take It brand, sir. And another things, we launched Honcho brand, which are doing B2B. This Honcho will acquire the stock directly from the company, by which we will get the 2 things: good quality fresh product from the company, and lapse of middleman, we will get the right price and right margin to sell the products. That's 3 years.
Sure. So if we have to understand this, the traditional retail used to work with multi-tier distribution setup, structured. If you see mature markets like US, and I think there is a wholesale companies. The wholesale companies are large wholesale boxes like a Sam's Club or a Costco or a place like that. So they're opening up their own honcho, which is coming in, which is going to be the wholesale structure, B2B, and then they have retail structure. What the company is doing is that they're trying to create a fantastic sourcing capabilities so that they are able to give the right produce and the right product to the retailers at the right price. And they're not building any margin so that your maximum margins can be passed to the retailer. Apart from that, all the other capabilities of running and managing a retail business, from store design, site selection, store design, setting up capabilities, software, and also overall inventory management and capabilities are also provided by the company. Gajendra ji, but today, because we are still a young company, in technical sense, we have only a couple of stores, and you have, when I met you, you also said that कि ये हमने अलग-अलग जगह इसलिए खोले कि हम टेस्ट करना चाहते थे कि how a main city like a Pune would do to a B city like Kolhapur, and then the tier 4 city, which is in district. All cities you've tested. What is the response you've got in the market, and what do you would like to share how the sales of Pune versus Kolhapur and versus the third location is changing?
Immediately after launching in Pune, we got an franchisee inquiry from Pune only. We completed the agreement process, and we are on the verge of opening the stores. Another thing, same thing. We after launch in Kolhapur city, surprisingly, from rural area, people started coming into this, and rural area will provide us a benefit. We require a low investment in infrastructure. Land is huge. Land is available because their growth is a horizontal growth. In big city, there is a vertical growth, and the real estate is very costly. In Kolhapur, Kasbe Balwa city, we established we constructed 3,000 square foot stores, and it's running with a great success. And people are happy because these rural people have to travel 40 to 50 kilometer to collect their daily needs from the store in Kolhapur. And surprisingly, we got another 10 inquiries immediately after launching Kolhapur stores, and all are signed and few are in a pipeline. So that has made us successful, and we made a plan of launching in Pune district, Nasik district, Ahmednagar district, Aurangabad district, Solapur district, Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur, Belgaum districts, and in Goa state. So we have another 25 inquiries. We are 25 inquiries of for the franchisee, and they are in additional 25 inquiry that is in a discussion mode. Very soon we will close within next 25 days, because we have to provide the data and we have to do the research and survey to fix up their mind to enter into this business, sir. That's all.
That's very helpful. And this is a very high demand side today. Almost Franchise India, if we get on a daily basis, almost 1,000 people who write to Franchise India who are looking for any kind of FMCG retail kind of a business, because people after this COVID are looking for more stable businesses. But I should also tell our audience that looks very stable and structured, but it's also very difficult business in that sense, because not everybody is able to really run that. Is very demanding. It needs an operator. Somebody has to operate the business, because you just cannot leave the business, because it's a low margin business and every smallest thing really counts. The rental, the location, the area which you're doing, and how you would shift the customer. Please understand, whenever you open up a new franchise, you are shifting the customer which is buying something from somewhere, and you're shifting to that. So my next question, Gajendra ji, is all about how you launch it and how you make sure that the store come to optimum performance level very, very fast. Because कभी-कभी लोग जो franchise में
yes, surely.
Right. उनको होता है कि
actually what happened after launching the stores, we followed only one principle: back to the basics. Why customers are visiting the traditional outlet? Because their acknowledgement of their status. Traditional traditional outlet owner knows him forefathers also, and new happenings in their who's getting married, who's getting promoted, he knows everything. Traditional outlet owner, right? So we started going back to the basics. Start up with the store entrance to up to buying there and giving them the home deliveries, etc., etc. So what they require, they require acknowledgement, respects. They require good products. They require assistance, because these people are from the either new customer or regular customers. Every time they require a guidance. So my people are attending them, resolving their queries, satisfying with the perfect manner, and advising them, and providing information about the current products and current promotions within the stores. Giving them the replacement on whatever basis. If they don't like the product, we are giving them the immediate replacements. Giving them the entertaining their children by providing the small sweets like chocolates, vagera. Same, we are going back to the basics and serving them at the best possible way, and making familiar with our stores, I will told you one incident. The people are starting removing their shoes and started entering into the stores. Right, it's a surprising thing. Then I started slowly requesting them, keep your footwear and go inside. Don't remove your footwears. They are asking me, yes, Gajendra, ये हो सकता है क्या? हाँ, हो सकता है. Then we started providing them the trolleys. After providing the trolleys, we have the one facility that they can keep their kid on this trolley and move them, and they can shop with the pleasure. That was new for this customer of the rural area. That things have made the miracle. Small things we are adding in every day and every minutes of the operation of the stores, and we are adding the new customers. Even if some customer come to us asking for some information and suggesting for the product, we are making them available and calling them and informing him, like, if we have your product, you can come to the stores and have it. We are starting loyalty program for the stores. These all things will made to increase the customers, and of course after that turnover will increase and my franchise's ROI will increase.
Sure. So it's very helpful. It's all about local store marketing. And local store marketing would have a different principle when it is done in the big city. It will have a very different when you do in a little bit of what I call the last mile markets, which feed the rural India. And fortunately, Maharashtra has a very strong agriculture economy, a lot of good money available. People want good experience, and brand penetration in these markets is extremely low. So there is a very good opportunity in tier 4, tier 5 kind of cities coming in. Rentals are lower and the demand side is very high for these markets. Always be very, very careful in the location selection. And this is my next question. What kind of...
Sir, sorry, I'm disturbing you. Before second question, I will tell about some 2 unique things we have done it. We are talking with the local big peoples in that rural area, even city level. We are talking about this store is not for the making the profit. This store is increasing the employment opportunity, and we are offering them to suggest the people who can ready to work with us and make their family prosper. So we are providing the employment to the local people. These local people will help us to gather the big more customer within the store, because they are aware about the local area. They are familiar and having relation with the local residents. That brings us a more customer to our stores, and their local language. Of course, we groom them, but we are not stopping them to use the local language like Marathi and other language. They can speak in any language wherever customers understand it, and that increases our footfall. That based on these social connect, we are creating employment, and we are giving the employment to the local people within the radius of the 5 square kilometer, that people can reach easily to our stores to work from for 9 hours. Because we running 2 shifts. First is the morning shift and second shift. Second shift end at the 10:30, and after that 10:30 he has to reach to his residence, so he can easily reach within the 5 square kilometer radius. That is another unique things we have implemented under the back to the basics. Sir, please, you can.
Yeah. I think it's very, very helpful. And in terms of retail, there's a micro detailing which is very important. There is a huge amount of opportunity. India is moving from what I call modernization of retail, especially in FMCG. So all these typical smaller Kriana stores would have to be either refurbished or converted, or the new formats would enter, because the choices have become large. People want different SKUs, different structures, so multiple choices have come in. So there has to be a little bigger stores. These smaller formats would not be able to sustain, because the choices of customer is much higher today. And today, even if you take one single category, there are multiple brands which are now available. So it's becoming difficult. Earlier, retailer used to himself source from different distributors. It's impossible now. So they need to be part of any chain. And that's why Jio or other companies also converting Krianas, because there has to be back-end consolidation. And the company has done the back-end consolidation with tomorrow, their B2B warehouses also coming in. It will even further consolidate. So you don't have to go as a retailer to hundreds of different distributors to source product. You have to go to one company and get everything done. and also get all the training capabilities and business. And because they're creating cluster, it will also build the huge brand equity in times to come. Our Pune team is working aggressively with them over the next couple of months to really not only find franchisees, but also find locations. So if any of our consultants, anybody who wants more information, they can really go to the store and take our investors also to the store and see the store, see the experience, and then make a decision. I will now pass it to Sonia for taking the discussions ahead, because I have to leave for taking a flight. So over to you, Sonia, for your discussion. There are many questions we have to ask Gajendraji on the training side of things, the support you provide for the franchisee, and we very clearly want to also define a little bit of financial model, because you've defined that franchise fees कैसे calculate होगी और कितना हम वो fees royalty का लेते हैं, which is only 2%. But 2% is also a very important percentage because it's a very tight business. What all we
Right.
is very important for entire thing. So over to you, Sonia, for the further discussions. I will have to be excused because I have to rush for a flight. Thank you very much. Thanks
Yeah.
for time.
Thank you, Gaurav sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Gajendraji. I think you have been giving all the answers. I have been going through a lot of queries which are coming both from our partners and a lot of audience which have joined in today. First and foremost, what I would like to maybe ask and understand and for the benefit of everybody is on the operating expenses part, because we have broadly covered the investment which includes the franchise fees component and also the investment which goes in the stock which is inventory and the basic कैपेक्स which goes in. वीरेंद्र जी, इसमें हमारा ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस कैसे रहते हैं? आप अगर हम 1000 स्क्वायर फीट की बात करें, 2000 स्क्वायर फीट की बात करें, what kind of manpower deployment do you see based on the size of the store? One. सेकेंड, हमारे इसमें एवरेज रेंटल्स क्या होने चाहिए? जैसे अभी वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड हमारा जो किराने का बिजनेस होता है, ग्रोसरी बिजनेस वर्क्स ऑन वेरी वेरी टाइट मार्जिन्स. सो इसमें हमारे जो बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं रेंटल, तो ये हमारे क्या रहते हैं? और थर्ड विच आई ऑल्सो वांट टू नो, आपने ओवरऑल मार्जिन्स 25% की बात की है, एंड वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट ओवरऑल 10 कैटेगरीज है जिसमें डेयरी भी है, वी हैव एफएमसीजी, ओटीसी प्रोडक्ट्स. अगर उसके बारे में भी आप बता सकें ऑन एन एवरेज हमारे क्या मार्जिन्स रहते हैं अक्रॉस दीज 10 कैटेगरीज.
One is that store operating expenses, we for 1000 stores we require the 12 peoples, and every day we are 2 people will be on the leave, and we have to run the store with the 10 people, right, for the due to the weekday off. And we require the 3 cashiers, because for one cashier will be at the morning level, and for I'm talking about the 1000 square foot store. And after evening second half, the two cashier will take over, and one store manager, one commercials, and another 5 people will be for the customer service. 7 people for the customer service. We require the 2 people. Their salary will be ranging from, the store manager will be around the 20-25,000, and balance all will work from 8,000 to 12,000 based on their businesses. And हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि 30 days पहले हम स्टाफ ले लेते हैं फ्रेंचाइजी से. 30 to 45 days पहले हम लोग स्टाफ ले लेते हैं, and I am training them on the live stores. We will keep them on for the 30 days in other stores, and we'll train them actual on-job training and in-house training. So what will happen after that? At the time of launch, everybody will be familiar with the store operation, and they will start their work from the day 1. That's all. And your second question is?
I wanted to know हमारे operating expenses, if we can detail that out, क्योंकि आपने भी जो बात की, talking about 24 lakhs as a revenue जो एक store से हम ले सकते हैं, या उसका throughput है एक store का, and we also understand कि ये पहले महीने में शायद 24 लाख नहीं शुरू होगा, it will take some time to reach that level. वो time frame क्या है जब तक हम 24 लाख तक पहुंच सकते हैं, पहली बात. एंड दूसरे हमारे क्या क्या expenses रहेंगे? जैसे आपने बोला अगर एक हमारा जो कॉस्ट सैलरी का है वो तकरीबन 1.3 लाख का रहता है, एंड देन 2% रॉयल्टी आल्सो जो पूरी आप ग्रॉस सेल्स पे आप लेते हैं नेट ऑफ टैक्सेस. बाकी हमारे क्या खर्चे रहते हैं, एंड कितना टाइम लगता है वो 24 लाख की सेल अचीव करने में?
देखिए, ये हमारा जो लोकेशन होता है वो साइंटिफिकली हम लोग एक्वायर करते हैं, डिसाइड करते हैं, देन एक्वायर करते हैं. और स्टोर के जो एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं, जैसे कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होती है, अगर लोकेशन जो स्टोर ओन नहीं होगा तो रेंट होगा, उसका मंथली रेंट होगा, एज वेल लाइट बिल होगा, फिर उसके बाद वाटर चार्जेस हो गए, इंश्योरेंस होगा. We made compulsory to all franchisee to take the insurance of the stock and stores to avoid any calamities in futures. we are protecting as a proactive mode पे. उसके बाद प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी का जो चार्जेस होते हैं, बाद में होम डिलीवरी के चार्जेस होते हैं. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट.
And क्या
एंड
हमारे
हमारा एक मिनट, उसमें हम हमारा 2% जो एक ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंस में जो 2% हम लोग चार्ज कर रहे हैं फ्रेंचाइजी से, वो भी उसमें ऐड करते हैं ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस में.
तो क्या रहते हैं गजेंद्र जी, अगर मैं
इसमें मेजर जो,
अगर आप थोड़ा सा अमाउंट भी बता सके, अगर हमारा 1000 स्क्वायर फीट का स्टोर है, उसका क्या एवरेज हमारा रेंटल होना चाहिए पर स्क्वायर फीट का, कितने में वायबिलिटी बैठती है? क्योंकि जो ग्रोसरी का बिजनेस है, इट कैन नॉट बी ऑन अ वेरी हाई रेंटल लोकेशंस, बिकॉज आपके सारे मार्जिन, ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन आपके खत्म हो जाते हैं अगर आपके रेंटल्स आए हो. तो आप क्या एडवाइस करते हैं, क्या हमारा रेंटल होना चाहिए? और अगर हम सारे खर्चे, अगर एक फिक्स एक्सपेंस हम माने एक स्टोर का, वो तकरीबन एक महीने का क्या हमारा वो खर्चा रहता है?
हमारा जो रेंट है, जो हमारा जो टोटल 3% हम लोग ये करते हैं. टोटल हमारा जो एक्सपेंसेस है उसके 3% आना चाहिए. टोटल इन्वेस्टमेंट का 3% आना चाहिए. सेल्स का 3% होना चाहिए. तो उसका हम लोग रेंट के लिए हम लोग चार्ज करते हैं. जैसे कि इसमें 2 मॉडल्स होते हैं. हाँ, कैन आई एक्सप्लेन थ्रू ROI शीट्स? आई हैव रेडी ROI शीट. तो आई
प्लीज, हाँ बिल्कुल, हेल्पफुल इफ यू कैन डू दैट. हाँ जी,
give me 1 minute. I'm sharing on the screen, right? Can I?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, प्लीज गो अहेड.
हाँ, हाय. ये जो हमारा एक सिंहगढ़ का स्टोर हम लोग लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, उसका ये ROI शीट हम लोगों ने बनाया है. हमने प्रोबेबल सेल पकड़ा है 11 lakhs, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्टोर इज ओनली 500 स्क्वायर फुट. तो हमारा यहाँ पे हम टोटल जो स्टोर साइज है, टोटल 600 स्क्वायर फुट है. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने हमारा सेल, जो प्रोबेबल सेल पकड़ा है हमने 11 lakhs सेल्स वैल्यू. इसमें आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग हम लोगों ने एवरेज ग्रॉस मार्जिन हमने कैलकुलेट किया. प्रोबेबल हमारा जो ग्रॉस मार्जिन आएगा 18%. स्टाफ का जो एक्सपेंसेस है 50,000 है. 5 स्टाफ इंटू 10,000 पकड़ा है, लेकिन किसी का सैलरी ज्यादा होगा, किसी का कम होगा. जो स्टोर का रेंट जो है वो 30,000 है. और जो उसके नेक्स्ट जो स्टोर है उसका रेंट जो एवरेज रेंट आया इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होगा 5,000. टेलीफोन इंटरनेट एक्सपेंसेस 1200 है. प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी कॉस्ट हम लोगों ने 1000 पकड़ा है. इंश्योरेंस जो है एनुअल 14,400 है. और ब्रेकेज और डैमेज जो होने वाले हैं उसमें 0.01 पकड़ा है. कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स 0.01%, जितना भी सेल होगा उसका 0.01% पकड़ रहे हैं. और हमारा जो टिकट का फीस हमने ऑन 11,22,000 पकड़ा है. तो टोटल रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंसेस हमारे जो है पर मंथ इज 1,11,302. हमारा रेट नेट मार्जिन जो है 86,698. हमारा ग्रॉस मार्जिन था 1,98,000. तो हमारा यहाँ पे जो नेट मार्जिन परसेंटेज में आ रहा है 7.88%. इसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं कि जो हमारे जो टॉप के जो सप्लायर्स है, ग्रोसरी विल कंट्रीब्यूट 50%, बट हमारे एक्सपर्ट जो लोग हैं इसमें डायरेक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से हम लोग स्टॉक एक्वायर करेंगे. और जो बिगेस्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर रहेगा ग्रोसरी के लिए, वी हैव सो मेनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स है. और प्लस हमारा ओन एंटिटी है होंचो. होंचो इज बाइंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द कंपनी. कोई मिडलमैन नहीं होगा. एंड ही विल प्रोवाइड द स्टॉक टू द स्टोर्स. जो हमारा अभी कैपिटल एक्सपेंसेस है 600 स्क्वायर फुट के लिए जो फर्नीचर फिक्चर्स है उसका एवरेज कॉस्ट है 3 लाख रुपीज. चिलर फ्रीजर, 1 चिलर एंड फ्रीजर कॉस्ट रुपीज 2 lakhs. हार्डवेयर कॉस्ट 1,30,000. जो साइन बोर्ड जो है स्टोर के बाहर उसका कॉस्ट है 70,138. सॉफ्टवेयर फीस जो है 48,000 है. CCTV विद इन द स्टोर्स एंड आउटसाइड द स्टोर्स इज 40,000. और शॉपिंग बास्केट, हियर भी हम लोगों ने ट्रॉलीज नहीं लिए हैं. यहाँ पे 15 बास्केट्स, उसका वैल्यू लिया है 4,500. LED TV फॉर रनिंग द फॉर कीपिंग CCTV का रिले एंड एज वेल एज running promotions also. Total capital expenses 8,20,000. Investment in stock 11 lakhs. Total investment is 19,22,000. ROI is 54.11%. We can within 24 months we can go for we will achieve the break even point within 24 months.
एंड थैंक यू गजेंद्र जी. और इसके लिए मैं आई लाइक टू आल्सो टेल और ऑडियंस, जहाँ पे गजेंद्र जी ने अपना ROI पीरियड निकाला है ये 54% ईयर 1, दिस इज एनुअलाइज्ड. तो अगर आप 50% का आप देखते हैं एनुअलाइज्ड ROI, इट विल टेक यू अबाउट 2 years is what he is referring to. But what he has also done, इन्होंने अपना जो वर्किंग कैपिटल है, वर्किंग कैपिटल भी इस ROI में कैलकुलेट किया हुआ है. मोस्टली जो आपका इन्वेंट्री होता है, जो स्टॉक होता है, दैट इज जनरली नॉट कैलकुलेटेड as a when we calculate ROI, but they've also taken your inventory, which is your working capital also, when they've calculated ROI. So that being that, गजेंद्र जी, इसमें आपका जो SKU मिक्स होता है, आपने 10 कैटेगरीज की बात की, डेयरी, OTC प्रोडक्ट्स, जितने भी आपके 10 कैटेगरीज हैं, इसमें हमारा ओवरऑल जो SKU मिक्स रहता है वो कितने प्रोडक्ट्स का रहता है, एक बात। एंड दूसरा, हमारे अगर आप मार्जिन भी आप बता सकें इन सारी कैटेगरीज में, हमारे एवरेज ब्लेंडेड मार्जिन आपने बताया 25% हमारा रहता है अक्रॉस ऑल अदर प्रोडक्ट्स, पर अगर हम स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरीज की बात करें, व्हाट इज द मार्जिन अगेंस्ट दीज कैटेगरीज?
Actually, for example, in grocery, if we go for the loose staples, if we take the rice, if we take the oil का जो MRP होता है मार्केट में, बिलो MRP सेल होता है, ठीक है। तो जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमें ऑयल में 6 to 7% मार्जिन होता है, बट MRP तक काउंट किया तो it goes up to the 25%. We sell below MRP because market trend is such like that कि एवरीबडी सेल्स, अगर 1 लीटर का 175 अगर MRP है तो वो सेल होता है 144-145 रुपीज में। यहाँ पे हमें 6% मार्जिन हम लोग एश्योर करते हैं विद बल्क बाइंग। देन अनदर, इफ यू गो टू द फूड प्रोडक्ट, तो वी बाय एक्चुअली एवरेज जो मार्जिन होता है, मिनिमम मार्जिन जो रिटेलर को देते कंपनी ऑफर करती है 12%। उसके बाद उसके ऊपर स्कीम होती है, जैसे कि 24 पीसेस लोगे तो 1 पीस फ्री मिलेगा, दैट्स कम अंदर अनदर 8%। हम लोग उनको कैश पेमेंट करते हैं तो उसका हमको CD मिलता है, CD कैश डिस्काउंट मिलता है। तो ओवरऑल हम लोग 25% पे जाते हैं MRP से पकड़ के, और MRP से पकड़ के हम लोग जाते हैं 18% पे, और 18% पे सुनिए जी हमारा जो टोटल एक काउंट किया है।
We talked about margin। दूसरा, हमारे SKU प्रोडक्ट मिक्स हमारा क्या रहता है, कितने SKUs रहते हैं एक स्टोर में, अगर आप वो भी बता सकें। और दूसरा, बिकॉज इन्वेंट्री हमारी काफी है, एनी ग्रोसरी स्टोर नीड्स अ बिग इन्वेंट्री एंड यू हैव कैटेगरीज, 10 कैटेगरी में हम इन्वेंट्री की बात करते हैं, तो इसमें अगर कोई ऐसा स्टॉक है जो आपका मूव नहीं करता, इज क्लोजिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ मे बी नियरिंग एक्सपायरी, तो उन प्रोडक्ट का हम क्या करते हैं?
अभी क्या है, देखिए अभी हम लोग जो इन्वेंट्री हम लोग सोचते हैं कि समझ लीजिए फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम लोग मैक्सिमम अगर हमारा मंथली सेल अगर 30 पीस का है तो हम लोग उसको 45 1 मंथ का हम लोग स्टॉक स्टोर में रखते हैं, तो 30 + 30 60 दैट ही अगर सेल हो रहा है तो हम 60 पीसेस रखने का कोशिश करते हैं। और जो SKU मिक्स होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू टेक किसान जाम में 3 SKU होते हैं, 200 ग्राम, 500 ग्राम एंड 1 kg, एंड अनदर इज अ स्लीव्स पैक जो होता है जो 10 रुपए वाला। तो इसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग जो सर्वे करते हैं, जो नेबरहुड एरिया में हम लोग करते हैं, जो ट्रेडिशनल आउटलेट है और वहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिटर है, उनके एरिया में वहां जाके हम लोग सर्वे करते हैं। तो सर्वे कोई इंफॉर्मेशन देता नहीं है हमें, कोई अपना का बिजनेस सीक्रेट देता नहीं है, बट आप फ्लोर पे जाते हैं, सेल्स फ्लोर पे, वहां पे आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट देखते हैं, हमें पता चलता है कि इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना है, क्या सेल हो रहा है, जिसका फ्रेशेस्ट डेट अवेलेबल स्टॉक अवेलेबल है और किसका 3 मंथ्स अवेलेबल है, नेचुरली दैट SKU is selling more in this locality and these outlets। तो उस तरह से हम सर्वे करके उसको डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये स्टॉक हमारे स्टोर में होना चाहिए। जैसे कि हम लोग कोल्हापुर में कोल्ड ड्रिंक में 2.25 लीटर्स और 2.5 लीटर्स के कोल्ड ड्रिंक चलते नहीं है, मैक्सिमम 500-600 ml के ही कोल्ड ड्रिंक चलते हैं। तो ये वी कम टू नो थ्रू सर्वे एंड वी hold back bigger size bottles in cold drink category, so that we give us a success of that more turnover। इन्वेंट्री 2-3 बार महीने में रिवॉल्व हो रही है और इसमें एक्सपायरी नहीं मिल रही है हमको। और हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हर नियर एक्सपायरी लॉसेस कंट्रोल करने के लिए वी डिसाइड 7 डेज हम लोगों का एक टाइम टेबल है। मंडे हम लोग स्टेपल्स पैक स्टेपल में एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करते हैं, ट्यूसडे डेयरी करते हैं, थर्सडे प्रोसेस फूड करते हैं, और दूसरा हम लोगों ने हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में 80% का लॉक लगाया है। मिनिमम 80% अगर एक्सपायरी, मिनिमम अगर 80% प्रोडक्ट लाइफ अवेलेबल नहीं है तो प्रोडक्ट GRN करने के लिए स्टॉप कर देगा, वो ब्लिंक कर देगा, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट वैलिड फॉर अवर स्टोर्स। तो वो करते हैं। और प्लस हम लोग एंट्री में जब स्टॉक रिसीव करते हैं तो माइक्रो चेक करते हैं, MICRO हर ईच एंड एवरी पीस काउंट करते हैं, प्लस हम लोग उसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट नोट डाउन करते हैं। तो वहीं पे हमारा जो वेयर हाउस का जो स्टाफ है वहीं पे रोक लेता है कि इसका 80% प्रोडक्ट लाइफ अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो हम लोग वो रिटर्न कर देते हैं। तो इस तरह से हम नियर एक्सपायरी एंड एक्सपायर स्टॉक का लॉस हम कंट्रोल करते हैं एंड दैट डायरेक्टली प्रोवाइडिंग फ्रेश प्रोडक्ट टू द कस्टमर्स। और जो स्लो मूविंग के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बॉटम 200-300 प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, उसका प्रिंट आउट लेते हैं और सेल्स फ्लोर पे जाके चेक करते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट क्यों नहीं सेल हो रहा है। उसके 3 थिंग्स होते हैं कि वो प्रोडक्ट उस कैचमेंट के लिए नहीं है, सेकंड ये प्रोडक्ट विजिबल नहीं है, उसका प्राइस एसीएल शेल्फेज लेवल नहीं लगाया हुआ है, इसके ऊपर कुछ प्रोमो था वो लगाया हुआ नहीं है। सो मेनी 5-7 रीजन ही होते हैं, उसको एनालाइज करते हैं एंड उसको करेक्ट करते हैं। अगर वो कैचमेंट का वो प्रोडक्ट नहीं है तो हम इमीडिएटली रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं होंचो एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर से कि ये प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास जाने वाला नहीं है बिफोर एक्सपायरिंग 3 मंथ्स आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, हम लोग उसको वापस कर देते हैं और जो रनिंग SKU है वो हम स्टोर में लेके आते हैं।
So what you're saying is any product which is near expiry is what you will optimize as a company, and जो भी आपका सा stock है वो आप replace करेंगे franchise partner का, and जो आपका SKU mix होगा that will be based on the data analytic of that geography and demographics in terms of what is in demand. But अगर हम एक average SKU mix लें तो मेरे को लगता है 1000 स्क्वायर फीट के स्टोर में कम से कम 1500-2000 SKU का on an average एक आपका mix रहता है। I'll take some questions also from the audience. We have Shri Devi Paul would like to know, do you have a specific software which is recommended or the franchisee is allowed to use their own choice?
No, we recommend ours. We recommend one uniform software all over the country. That is currently we are running with the Retail Viz software, and that is mandatory to use this because we are extracting data on daily and hourly basis to analyze the sales and stock level of the franchisee. So this uniformity in software will benefit us and benefit to franchisee also to analyze the things in the stores.
And we have our partner from Pune, Mr. Atul. He's also one of our IFCs. He would like to know, are we also doing any kind of online integration, or is there any kind of app which is provided to the end consumer through which they can maybe put or buy?
We are in a process of developing first home delivery applications where we can our like Geo application. We are in a process of developing home delivery application that will be very soon, within 5 to 6 months. It will get it operated on trial run in Kolhapur city. Then we'll extend to other city after finding out any lapses or clearing the lapses of the application, because we have to trial and run. Therefore, we selected Kolhapur as a city to run this application, and immediately after that, we will run in other city also.
Sure.
So first, we want to establish 100% technicality within the stores, and then we will launch these applications.
All right, and we also have now Mr. Suraj Jaiswal. He'd like to know if we are looking at Nagpur as a potential location to open the store. And along with this, if I can also request you to even advise which are the potential priority cities where Take It is looking to open their outlet.
All metros, including Nagpur, is in our list. Initially, we given a 12 list, but Nagpur, of course, is a second capital of Maharashtra. So this Nagpur city is in our list. If any inquiry come, we are going to start immediately. We will respond immediately.
Sure, Vijinder ji. And कौन सी आपकी priority locations रहेंगी? If you can even mention some of the cities or states which will be the first rollout.
Pune, Nashik, Ahmednagar, Aurangabad, Solapur, Kolhapur, Nagpur, Satara, Sangli, Ratnagiri, Sindhudurga, Goa. These are Hubli, Dharwad, Belgaum. Nashik, Aurangabad already told, and I told about the Goa also.
Correct. Right, because we did see inquiries coming from Karnataka, even up north, Chandigarh. I did see some of our, I would say, prospective investors asking for these locations. So this has given clarity. Gajendra ji, are we also looking of a model which is franchisee owned, company operated, या हमसे franchisee owned, franchisee operated model ही करेंगे?
No, both. We are in the process of opening company owned, company operated also, COCO model and FOFO model also.
But we are not doing a hybrid model जहाँ पे franchisee own करेगा and company operate करेगी. It has to be entirely either company or a franchisee owns and operates.
यस, फ्रेंचाइजी ओन करेगा एंड कंपनी ऑपरेट करेगा ऐसा नहीं होगा, बट हम लोग सिस्टम इस तरह सेट करेंगे, franchisee can operate the store from back end. We are going to provide all manpower from the good company and good people, and we are creating leader within the team. That leader will take over these stores and will report franchisee directly for day-to-day store operations.
All right.
So he don't have to come into the everyday in the stores for the daily operation. The store manager will report, and even our company people, including me, will keep update him on a daily basis through mails, through WhatsApp about the what is happening in his stores.
I'll take some, very few questions. I do see a lot coming in. We might not have time to cover all. Gajinder ji, आपने जब ROI दिखाया, उसमें you took an example of a very small store which is 500. So if we have an inquiry, because जो आपने models बताए वो 1000 square feet से 2000 and then 2 to 6000 square feet जो आपने दिखाए, is there also a possibility अगर छोटी location की या property की inquiry आती है, are we also looking at entertaining these prospects?
Come again.
आपने जो ROI दिखाया है वो आपने 500 स्क्वायर फीट के स्टोर का दिखाया है, while the
Yes.
business model that we presented was 1000 square feet onwards. What we would like to know is if we have inquiries for properties which are less than 1000 square feet, are we also entertaining that as a potential partner with us?
No, actually below 1800 to 1000 we will consider it, but below 800 we were not going to consider it, because what happened, getting turnover it was little bit challenging.
Okay.
But this 6.5 franchisee has came and he wanted to open this store 600 square foot for his son. Therefore we accepted, and we given him a right choice. And this is a very recent example. Therefore I did display this site to you.
And हमारा टर्म कितना रहता है जितेंद्र जी एग्रीमेंट का, और हमारा उसके बाद रिन्यूअल टर्म के क्या हमारे प्रोविजंस रहते हैं फ्रेंचाइजी के लिए?
ये 15 इयर्स का हम लोगों का टर्म्स होता है एग्रीमेंट में, 15 इयर्स मिनिमम.
ओके, 15 साल का है. और अगर कोई प्री मैच्योर या अर्ली एग्जिट करना चाहता है तो इज देयर अ प्रोविजन फॉर दैट, या कोई लॉक इन पीरियड? 3 years locking. 3 years is the lock-in period, and then the partner can exit.
Yeah.
And lastly, I will also like to ask on the training on the partners and recruitment of staff at the outlet. उनका training और responsibility कौन लेते हैं? Okay, so then that training and also the training of the franchise partner that happens at the head office.
Yes.
Great. ठीक है, ग्रेट गजेंद्र जी. एक अगर हम वी आल्सो हैव सूरज जायसवाल, वो कह रहे हैं कि अगर एक ROI मॉडल हम दोबारा दिखा सकें. सूरज जी, व्हाट वी कैन डू, बिकॉज़ वी ऑलरेडी ओवरशॉट द टाइम, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट वन ऑफ आवर टीम मेंबर्स, वी हैव आवर इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रेंचाइज कंसल्टेंट्स फ्रॉम पुणे एंड आल्सो आवर डायरेक्ट टीम मेंबर्स इन पुणे हु आर हैंडलिंग टेक इट एंड देयर एक्सपेंशन on behalf of the company. I will request if we can reach out to you one-to-one and understand and maybe discuss the possibility of a potential partnership. And एक दिन गजेंद्र जी अगर हम डिसाइड कर सकें जहाँ पे हम potential investors को आपके साथ मीटिंग या कॉल करा सकें, कौन सा वो दिन होगा अगले हफ्ते का जो आपको लगता है हम कर पाएंगे?
You decide and tell me one day before.
So if you think we can block, अगर हम 20th की बात करें, 20th of this week which is Saturday, अगर हम Saturday को कर सकते हैं ये potential partner meet, is it possible?
Yes, Saturday.
हाँ जी, so we'll take this week to filter all the locations. And great, thank you so much Gajendra ji. Before we leave, एक request है, अगर आप एक last message to the audience who's listening live to you, कोई भी message आप देना चाहते हैं तो please kindly go ahead.
देखिए, actually I will go in Hindi. आप आइए, हमारे से डिस्कस कीजिए. We will explain you everything. We will satisfy your queries. We will take you for the visit to the stores. We will take you to our other ventures also, and come to us with open hearted to join hands in this great business.
Thank you so much, Gajendra ji, for joining in.
Thank you so much, Gajendra ji. And I will also request friends, you can reach out on our hotline number. We have put the hotline number in the chat box. It's 9717-68383. और भी reach out कर सकते हैं. Saturday is the day that we bring all prospective, all register and his team. Whosoever also wants to maybe visit any of the existing outlets, अगर आप आसपास रहते हैं, we'll also encourage all of you existing centers. And thank you so much, Gajendra, for coming in here today.
Thank you, Sonia.
Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Over to you.
Sure. So thank you so much, Gajendra ji, for joining in today.
Yeah.
We'll definitely come back to you with all the filter profile on 20th of March, which is our discovery day. We would like to thanks Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. Dear participants, you want to visit their store, you want to book your slot for discovery day, please reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. We'll definitely would love to give you the best of the solutions. You can also share your suggestions, feedback at the same business hotline number. Do connect with us at different social handles, information on your screen. You can also join us, get in touch with us at every page of Franchise India Brands Limited. The previously done webinars, different submits, we have a recorded version in video section. You can also join and connect with Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs. And as yesterday, we invited you for FRO, which is happening in Hyderabad, and we are delighted to get response from you. Today also, we are inviting you. You still have time to visit us. It's happening in High Tech Exhibition Center, Hyderabad. Please do visit us. Join us so that you can get business opportunities. You can meet our brand's representative. And since it's Sunday, we always try to bring maximum business opportunity for you. We invite you to join us for our Sunday show, which will start at 4 p.m. Yes, we have changed the time from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. So we'll start our West India show from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. where we have invited top 10 popular brands to present their business model. Please do registration today so that you can join us sharp 4 p.m. And tomorrow, under Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series, 12 p.m., we invite you to join us for Chai Ghar. It's a F&B retail brand where you can join us. You can start your business under investment of 6 lakh rupees. So for both the webinars, you can join us by doing registration at business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Thank you so much for joining in today. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Gajendra sir. Bye.